It means it's very effective, and the mode is generally oral. It is an oral drug, so you can take it in the form of pills or tablets. Another question is, does it cause any kind of hypoglycemia? So no, the answer is absolute no. It doesn't cause hypoglycemia. And the effect on weight. So according to me, it's neutral. It doesn't cause any kind of weight gain or weight loss, so it's neutral for the weight. Uh, Effect on kidneys. If we talk about the effect on kidneys of gliptins, so it is safe. The effect on heart, so again it is safe for cardiac patients also. And monthly cost of this therapy, if we talk about the monthly cost of this therapy, it's not very expensive. Generally about rupees 200 to 2000 per month is uh, can be can be spent on this therapy, so it's not very expensive. Approximately 200 to 2000 you can spend on sitagliptins or vildagliptins. What are the possible side effects? So there is almost no side effect, but rarely allergic reactions might be there. So it doesn't cause any severe side effect. The another class of diabetic medication is GLP-1 analog. It's a very important one. GLP-1 analog, that is GLP-1 analog, glucagon like peptide 1 analog, glucagon peptide 1 like analogs. And in this category there are agents like dulaglutide, liraglutide and semaglutide. Generally in India, dulaglutide and liraglutide are often prescribed by doctors, and the brand name of dulaglutide is Trulicity, which I have on the which I have for demo. So this is called the dulaglutide, and it is given by injections. So it is Trulicity, and it's a weekly injection. Patients can take weekly injections of it. And another medicine is liraglutide. Liraglutide is Victoza, that is a daily injection. So if you go for liraglutide, you will have to take our daily injection. And the working area of this medicine is gut, means it works on gastrointestinal tract and brain. It improves satiety. It promotes satiety. So after taking this injection, you will feel fullness and you won't feel like eating anything. And pancreas also. So it works on pancreas also. It suppresses the formation of glucagon and improves the secretion of insulin. According to the effectiveness and efficiency, it's given 3 stars. So it's very effective. Just being an injection, it directly enters into the body and it's very effective. If we talk about the route, so it's injectable, as I have already told you. Can it cause hypoglycemia? So the answer is absolute no. It cannot cause any type of hypoglycemia. Uh, if we talk about the effect of this medicine on weight, so it is very important in losing weight. It causes weight loss. This is the medicine which causes weight loss. So it is very beneficial for the people who are overweight or obese and who have diabetes. So it is the effective therapy for diabetes and weight loss both. Next question is that the effect of this medicine on kidneys. So it is totally safe for renal patients. There is no contraindication for renal patients. And the effect on heart. What is the effect of this therapy on heart? So it is beneficial for heart. I just want to tell you that it is beneficial for hearts. It helps heart. It improves heart function. And the cost of this therapy, monthly cost of this therapy